Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you some simple steps using which you can fix the Windows update stuck at some random percentage. So let's get started. In the first step, simply search for services. From here, locate the Windows update service. Double click on it and set the startup type to automatic and save the change. In step 2, search for troubleshoot settings. Click on other troubleshooters. From here, run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Now follow the on-screen instructions and perform the troubleshoot. In the third step, search for Run and open the Run dialog box. In the Run dialog box, type in this location and click on OK. From here, select all the files and delete them. In the fourth and final step, open the Run dialog box again and type clean mgr. Select only C drive if you have multiple drives. From here, click on Clean up system files. From all the options you see here, make sure you only select the Windows Update Cleanup box and click on OK and delete the files. Once the files are deleted, simply restart your system and check for Windows Update again, and this time you won't face any error further. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.